A lot of sellers out there, you know what? You're getting ripped off. This is what's happening to you. You're listing with an agent that gives you the highest price without them justifying that price. Here's how the agent is going to make a fortune off of your overpriced listing. Number one, they're going to prospect. They're going to do open houses. They're going to market that home to people, and these buyers are going to come into these open houses. Your house is overpriced. You know what they're going to do? They're going to take their name, their email, they're going to find out where they're looking, and they're going to go sell them a home that's priced right. And then guess what? Next week, they're going to hold another open house, and they're going to get a list of buyers that are looking to buy in the area of homes that are priced right. Sellers, you know, if it seems too good to be true, it is. You got to consider the agents that are charging the least amount in commissions. Many times they're not spending money marketing, and they're overpricing their listings. That's vinegar and water. That just doesn't mix. Now, a home that is properly priced but doesn't have any marketing in this market is probably not going to sell. And you can have all the marketing in the world in an overpriced home, and then that home's not going to sell in this market. What you need is the highest caliber of marketing, a home that's priced right, an aggressive real estate agent, and that is going to get your home sold. I see it all day, every day in the Tampa Bay market. If you live in the Tampa Bay area, give me a call at 813-VINCENT, and I'll make sure that I put you and your home in a position to win.